did that. This is what happens when you see. Hold on. We're recording this because you see, Dion has already gotten motorcycle accidents, and maybe this two-wheel thing is not for her. Maybe we won't put a camera on you. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
But you just stuck down there?
Yeah, I can't get up.
And guess what? There's all those damn.
I know.
Okay, I'm gonna turn off the camera now. Okay. Here. We'll just put the camera right here, and I'll help you up. I gotta keep recording it. Send this to your daughter at least, if nobody else. This is why we shouldn't give your mommy a bike. What do you want me to do? Take the bike
off of me?
Luckily it's not that heavy. You were in one.
I know.
So what were you doing?
I was slowing down.
Okay, well hold on, let me put the kickstand out. Oh Jesus, honey, you scare me. If we just go slow, you'd be fine.
Hang on. I'm trying to get the stickers out of my ass.
Well, let's get them out later. Let's get out.
I'm trying to keep from getting.
Did you lose anything? Or?
No.
Okay, come on.
I'm trying to find a.
Don't put your hand down there. Give me your hand.
Oh shit.
Come on, get up.
Ow.
You just heard all those trees. They went, God damn it. Fucking person hit me. You're going to sue us, the trees.
I was trying to avoid the tree.
Hold on, let me wipe you all off.
And trying to avoid the berry bushes. I'm okay.
Get the dirt out of your face. I think we just need to go home now. I think this is it for the day.
Yeah.
Turn around. Let me get all of it off of you. You got leaves and...
I'm glad I had the backpack to cushion my back.
Huh? Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Michael.
I'm Dion.
And welcome to...
Misfits Adventures.
And you are in for a ride today because Max, Dion, and I are going to get on our e-bikes and we're going to check out Disappointment. Yeah, Cape Disappointment. Finally, we got our bikes and we're going to go down. So we're going to go down to the beach and then we're going to pedal around the park. All right, guys? Yeah, so this little path is going to take us to the beach. I don't know how far. Little wet here, so be careful, it might be slippery. Whee! Lazy dog. All the other doggies have to walk, but Max, King Max, gets to ride. He's the star. Ooh, I hear it. Yeah, the first time we came down here was when we just got here in June, and we started to walk down this trail and decided we're going to get bikes sooner or later, let's wait. So we haven't been down here yet, and we wanted to share with you. Beautiful out here. Oh, I can see the ocean from here. Oh, there's the beach now. We just missed an access point. Max is saying, Mama, the beach was there. I think this takes us someplace to the beach too, though. Yep. Over this grassness. Oh, there's an. Oh, we're going up higher, but look, it's taking us right to the beach. Huh? Yeah. I bet you that path takes us further, and I bet you when you get further, it drops you down into the beach. Pretty, pretty. So a car got down here. How does a car get down here? But you can tell that there's been lots of cars, and a bike's going down. I know that's the beach. Yeah, I had to adjust the camera a little bit. Now I'd love to take the bikes down to the beach, but they say because it is a electric bike, please don't do that, because it might void your warranty. As much as riding a bike on the beach would be just awesome. Got the marine layer in today. It should burn off about 3 or 4. That's why normally we don't like to go anywhere until the end of the day. Like today we started out at 1. Yesterday we started out and I got sick, so we're not doing that today. Hey Max. He just wants to run, Mommy. Pretty, huh?
That's Long Beach.
Nope, almost. Yeah, that is Long Beach right there, isn't it? So we're almost to Long Beach, I believe. I do believe. Yep. There's the condos. Should be a bathroom up here and a boardwalk and all that good stuff. Alright guys, so we went all the way down to Long Beach from here, which was about 5 miles, maybe 5.5 miles. That was a nice little one.
Yes.
Max wants to go now down this road here on the other side of the street, and then we're going to go take off that way. And it is going to be fun because it goes way off into the woods. Is that what you want to do, Max? Yep. See, he's talking to us.
Ready to go?
Are you ready to go right now? You ready to go with Mama?
You ready to go for a ride? Come on.
Let's go.
All right.
Here we go.
Here we go. Get back in.
All right, Max. Should turn around. You ready?
Yeah.
And we're going to resume this trail here. Over here. Anybody coming? So this is the highway we come in on. And then this trail, I don't know, I didn't read it. We're just gonna go wherever it leads us. I think it parallels the highway is what I think it does. Yeah, the RAD bikes come with a little bell, which is kind of neat. It's already built in. Oh, this one's a little bit more hilly. It's serious hilly. We've only lost one bar since we've taken off. It's supposed to give us 45 miles of biking fun. This is going up. That's burning my legs. Even with the pedal assist on 5. Whew, that's good burn. Could never have done this without this bike. This takes us up to the lighthouse, I bet. You can see that Max is being really good right now because he's tired of whining. So do y'all know where we're at now? I do. We are actually going to the lighthouse, which is Cape Disappointment Lighthouse. So yeah, this is
Bell's Lookout.
Bell's Lookout. And I think this had something to do with World War II, because that's what that is over there. Weathering the wind, hurricanes with no names. Bell's Lookout. Cape Disappointment. Very, very much not disappointing. So the bike paths that we went on was on the other side over here. And we went down that way. So this is the cape itself that sticks out that you could see when we were riding our bikes back towards this way. Pretty cool. All right, guys, so we just got through riding our bikes through all the trails that we could find here in Cape Disappointment. We headed to Long Beach, which is actually the bike path that we took us around this, went out that way, went down that way, and went out around this little mountain, and we ended up in Long Beach.
Yeah.
And that was probably about 7 miles there, no, 5 miles there and 5 miles back. And then we left here, the parking lot, which is right there. We left the parking lot and we went across the street and we went up into where the lighthouse was.
Yes.
So we rode our bikes to the lighthouse this time, which is not very far away at all.
No.
We haven't done this trail yet. Maybe someday we will. I don't know if we're going to come back up here for a while.
Don't think this
Think
one's
we're gonna-
paved.
No, I don't think so either. Yeah, when we got to the other side of the bridge, it kind of stopped, didn't it?
Yeah.
So anyways, guys, we want to tell you about our bikes. The bikes are awesome. They work very, very well. You saw at the beginning of the video a little blooper with Dion. And yeah, so we're not going to talk about that, but she's learned how to go around corners and she's learned how to apply her brakes better. And actually we had it tuned up the very next day, and really the brakes and everything were fine. He just did some slight adjustments. My back brake needs to be adjusted again. He said come back in about 100 miles. Well, I've gotten 45 miles on it as of today, and the back brake, I'm squeezing pretty hard before it starts to grab. So he showed me how to adjust it in case I don't want to go up there, so I might do that. We'll see about that. And but otherwise, I think the bikes are awesome. I don't think we would have ever gotten out and done this without something electric or something with a motor on it to get us up and over the steep hills. So I know that we spent some money on this and we're making payment plans on it, but this RAD bike is probably the best thing. It's probably going to save my life because I'm too fat, and this will help me get out and see the world and see this beautiful Pacific Northwest that we're here at, right? Mm-hmm. So I want to say from Max, he is out in the truck, sound asleep, because he had a rough day sitting in the back of the trailer. He gets so tense and so excited that it wears him out by the end of the day, and he doesn't even have to get out of the trailer at all. So anyways, thank you all for watching. You can write us at msfitz'adventures@gmail.com, or you can see us on Facebook or Instagram. And I have said several times that Max doesn't have an email. Well, Max wanted an email, so Max has got an email now. Max's email is going to be Max the Traveling Dachshund. Max the Traveling Dachshund at gmail.com if you want to say hello to him. He said he might want a YouTube channel, so we might hook him up with a YouTube channel and see what the little guy could come up with. And he does have a Facebook page, but he has nothing on it yet. So Max needs to get to work and tell us what he wants to put on his Facebook page. But yeah, it'll be fun. So thank you guys for watching. Come back next week with another Misfits Adventures. And y'all be good to each other. And remember, come back.
Yeah.
Yeah,
We'll
back.
see you next time.
Yeah.
Don't laugh too hard at me, please.
Yeah. Well, you already laughed at her, I'm sure. Bye, guys.